Yo, yani nimekaa KU siku nyingi, mimi nimechoka. Kuna watu wanakula hiyo pesa pia kwa Masai. Vlog is you guys, like even hit sai sina vlog ya leo, and that's just because let's talk kidogo. So yeah, what I was saying was, let me just put things vizuri. I just realized sina video ya leo, and the main reason as to why is because I filmed a video yesterday. Yesterday was, when was Jana? Tuesday. Loni Thursday. Jana was Wednesday. I actually filmed a video. Okay, sikumbuki when I filmed it, but it was an empty apartment, or I'm moving. I've been in this house, this particular one, for I think the whole of this year. But before that, I lived in this same building, but like chini, like the chini floors, and it was smaller than this house, for like a few months, not a long time, for a few months. But here, I think this has been a solid year. Yeah, and don't get me wrong, I do live with my parents, but I still live here. I don't know how to explain it. I'm not gonna explain it. Tell us, mom, just to zote. Please, my privacy. So yeah, I did delete the video that I shot, and that house was so much echo, first of all, because haina kitu. We paid the deposit, but we didn't like move anything because we were waiting for the rent ya hii time ishe ili tukale deposit, in other words. So my imposter syndrome was like, no, this video is not perfect, this video is not okay. So nika delete. Hata sikumaliza, actually, I remember. Yeah, I think really filmed the kitchen because I'm so excited about the kitchen. It's so big. It's bigger than this one. Sijui niwaonyeshe how this one looks, and then we're going to compare it with that one. Yes, that's something that I'm gonna put in mind, I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm so excited for the kitchen, the bathroom, like everything. The finishes are so good. The house is, it's so immaculate. Also, ilikuwa chafu iko imewashwa. So I was like, so should I like wash then come and do it again? Like there was so many reasons for my imposter syndrome to be so loud, and my inner critic to be so loud in my head, and that's why it's in a video aleo. So I'm filming now. I hope this will be out tomorrow. Yani, I didn't want to start this vlogmas like this. Like I wanted to start this vlogmas with like, and I did with the video that I released, the wash day. You guys have really shown me so much love with it. I've gotten so many views. I didn't expect to get the views that I got in that one day. It's on me, but in 2 days I'm still a small YouTuber. Still a small YouTuber. Nakumbuka tulianza YouTube last year nikiwa na 0 subscribers, then kuna 400. My first video, I think, ilikuwa na only 70 views. As in, we've grown so much, and I'm happy. I'm happy. So we're on to more things. What did I want to say? Yeah, welcome to today's vlog. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna vlog because it's like 4. As in, I can imagine. So I'm just gonna vlog my entire rest of the day, and I'm gonna show you what I do. Yeah, let's do it. Nimetoka kuoga, and I wanted to show you guys the deo I'm using. This is the Old Spice Tropical with citrus zest. This thing smells heavenly. So after using this, immediately after the shower, I'm going to go in with the Vaseline Intense Care Advanced Repair Lightly Scented. It honestly is not even scented anything. Lotion. If you are a returning subscriber, you've seen this before. So yeah, I wanted to say that, you know, if you sweat a lot like me, I sweat a lot. This is like, it's a men's, but this thing's really works, and haina your white. Ama ni mimi ndio apply. I think it also depends with when you apply it. Like if you apply it on dry skin, I think itakuachana the white, but I apply it immediately after the shower. So yeah, this really helps with sweat, and yeah, sweat and smell. It really smells nice. So plug. I'm clean now, guys. So what next? What am I supposed to do this evening? Yeah, I'm supposed to study. I'm doing an assignment. Yani nimekaa KU siku nyingi, nimechoka. But yeah, niko na assignment and that's what I'm gonna do. Make some coffee, eat some biscuits, and do the assignment. Also, this bonnet. Like, I'm really taking care of my hair, you guys. Your bonnet, you can find it at Papa's K. I'm gonna leave the link down below so that you can go and see them. I think it's above 400 bob. Yeah, they have scrunchies, satin scrunchies for 150 bob. They are very, very affordable prices. So yeah, go check them out. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. And kajina hapa really usiko confused mkena kuangalia IG. So yeah, let's do that. Let's make some coffee and eat as we do the assignment. Yeah.
Prada Bay, run away, don't go. I'm in hell, might as well just go. Losing track, don't take my soul. I'm in first, you too late, you slow. Yeah, hop outside the whip and then your skin gon' freeze. Yeah, all the other guys ain't really built like me. They got janky motives, don't know what they want. They keep blowing smoke, but I keep it blowing. Got these blue faces on my plate, I can't get all, yeah. Brand new sweater going with the ones, don't lace them on, Had to hit her all like, what you doing with that dog, You know that I do you right, can never go in dark, I've been losing sleep over dumb shit. Better add the function, but I couldn't go function. I've been with my bros, had to get up on some grown shit. You ain't bought your paper, then don't call up on my phone, bitch. I had to put my pride to the side. I know that the timing ain't right. Come back when you make up your mind, yeah. So my focus and I put it on the cash. Me and my brothers wake up every day to go and chase the bag. It's so cold down hell when I'm in my fucking head, yeah. All that shit don't help when it's random on my bed, yeah. Got these blue faces on my plate, I can't get all, yeah. Brand new sweater going with the ones, don't lace them on, Had to hit her all like, what you doing with that dog, You know that I do you right, can never go in dark, yeah. I've been losing sleep over dumb shit. Better add the function, but I couldn't go function. I've been with my bros, had to get up on some grown shit. You ain't bought your paper, then don't call up on my phone, bitch.
It's worse no matter what they say. I
what I could lose. I never knew it was a game. I wear the title like a bruise. I've got nobody else to blame. Let me in on your cruel game and show me how to play. You do it better, but I'll give it a shot anyway. Even if there's hell to pay, promise I won't run away. You do it better, but I'll give it a shot anyway. Let me in on your cruel game and show me how to play. You do it better, but I'll give it a shot anyway. Even if there's hell to pay, promise I won't run away. You do it better, but I'll give it a shot anyway. Even if there's hell to pay, promise I won't run away. You do it better, but I'll give it a shot anyway. Let me in on your cruel game and show me how to play. You do it better, but I'll give it a shot anyway. Even if there's hell to pay, promise I won't run away. You do it better, but I'll give it a shot anyway. Let me in on your cruel game and show me how to play. You do it better, but I'll give it a shot anyway. Even if there's hell to pay, promise I won't run away. You do it better, but I'll give it a shot anyway. You do it better. You do it better.
Hey, listen, I hope you're ready because tonight is gonna be big. Everyone's gonna be there. I'm gonna need you to be all smiles. Think you can do that for me?
They say happy is a state of mind, like a front porch swing, pretty thing hanging over the riptide. One push away from a nosedive. Dark cities all one in view. Gonna spend the day in Gotham, paint my face, laugh aloud to convince you. Good for a moment or two. So when I smile, holler at me for a good time. 'Cause it makes me look prettier and like I'm not dead inside. They say laughter's like a medicine. Make a joke, split your sides, have some fun till you cry and you lift it. Then get back to inside. Like I'm not dead inside. I'm not dead inside. Not dead inside. No, no.